me Joni and welcome to my channel. This time I will be unboxing a new budget phone, which is the Huawei Y6p. So my mom's gonna use this phone and I think she will definitely love it. So let's now proceed to the unboxing.
Now let's see what's in the box. So there's the phone. And another mini box. This is the wall adapter. Nice. And a micro USB cable. It also comes with earphones. SIM ejector pin, warranty card, and the manual. It also comes with a free clear jelly case. It looks durable and really nice. For the phone, it already has a installed screen protector and the color is phantompurple. It also has a glass back design. There are the volume rockers and a power button. On this side is the SIM card tray, and on top is a microphone, and below is a 3.5mm earphone jack, micro USB cable, and speaker. Let's open it. It has a dual SIM slot and a micro SD, which is expandable up to 512GB of storage. The price of the Huawei Y6p is 5,990 pesos in the market. Wow, what a perfect combination, and it looks amazing on purple. For the display, it has a 6.3 inches TFT LCD IPS HD 1600 by 720 pixels with a dewdrop notch. Its operating system is based on EMUI 10.1 Android 10. Here's the Huawei app gallery, and there are already some available apps that you can download. Here's Facebook and TikTok, Asphalt 9, Solitaire, and Blockbuster. There's also a built-in email app, and I installed Gmail on it. However, there are some apps that are not available on the Huawei app gallery, such as Messenger, Instagram, Netflix, and on YouTube, I just set it to home screen. And here's the apkpure app I downloaded. And here on apkpure, you can download all Android apps that you needed. Set up YouTube, open your browser, and when it opens, press on the triple dot and add to home screen, and choose this setting and press OK. Now go to the main screen and open YouTube, and voila! It works just like an app. Now just keep on browsing it. Now I'm gonna play Asphalt 9. And for the CPU, it is powered by MediaTek Helio P22 1.5 GHz. It is also equipped with a memory storage of 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of ROM. which you can have a smooth gameplay.
So this is already the high
Now
quality.
for the battery, it has a 5000 milliampere capacity, which enables you to play games even much more longer. Now isn't that powerful?
You feel fast.
Now let's test the video playback and sound, which I'm gonna play here on
First one
YouTube.
you watch a video.
Now choosing this video.
So it's not really full view, but it's okay. So that is with my little pony.
And for the audio quality, it has a super
It has a
sound
very loud
bass
speaker.
effect. So let's test on playing an audio song. It also has wireless FM radio, so you don't need earphones anymore to listen to your favorite radio stations. Now, let's talk about the camera of the Huawei Y6p. On the third camera, which is the main camera, has 13 megapixels f1.8 aperture, and on the second camera, which is the middle one, is 5 megapixels wide angle lens. And the first camera on top, which is 2 megapixels f2.4 aperture. Now let me show you sample videos and photos in the following slides.
Hi, this is the front camera video recording of the Huawei Y6p. Isn't it cool? So there you have it. So there you have it. I must say that the Huawei Y6p is such a great phone with its specs and functions. It is also easy to use and the design is really nice. I really like it. So if you're looking for a budget and solid phone like this, I definitely recommend it. It is really worth it. So if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and watch out for more videos in the future. So bye!